What if I told you that you can make a fresh homemade pasta sauce in the air fryer in less time than it takes to boil the water and cook the noodles? We only need 6 ingredients and you only gotta cut one. Let's start with 1 small onion, just quarter it. Next, a whole head of garlic. Toss the cloves in 2 bowls and shake, and boom, peeled. Just snip off those hard ends. Now, grab 1.5 pounds of the reddest, sweetest cherry tomatoes you can find. Drop them into a silicone air fryer tray. They're a total game changer. Don't have one yet? Link is in the description. Now, toss in the garlic, onion, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Into the air fryer it goes. 390 degrees for 15 minutes. Give it a solid stir at the halfway mark. And just like that, we're 1 step away from sauce. You're gonna need one of these, or this, or even this. Don't have one? Get one. Links in the description. Alright, last step. Grab your weapon of choice and blend up that roasted pasta sauce with some basil. Done before your noodles even finish cooking. Pro tip, pull your pasta a minute early, toss it with a splash of pasta water and your sauce and finish it on the stove. Learned that one working for a famous Italian chef who would smack me on the back of the head with a wooden spoon if he knew I just did this in the air fryer. Now top it with some Parmesan and boom, dinner's done. And this sauce, it's not just good for the air fryer, it's company ready. Got guests coming over? Make this sauce and my air fryer meatballs the day before. On the day, 0 work. Now hit that like and subscribe button because later this week I've got a roasted red pepper version of this sauce coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss it.